Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get collagen from chicken feet. First, you need to prepare your chicken feet. Begin by thoroughly washing about 2 pounds of chicken feet and trimming off their nails with kitchen shears. Next, blanch the feet in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. This helps remove any impurities. After blanching, rinse them well with cold water and carefully peel away any tough yellow skin that remains. These initial steps are crucial for a clean, high-quality collagen extraction. Now for the main event, simmering. Place your clean chicken feet into a large pot and cover them with about 10 to 16 cups of fresh water. Enhance the flavor and nutritional value by adding aromatics such as 2 chopped carrots, 1 onion, 2 celery stalks, and 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, or even up to 24 hours, for maximum collagen extraction. After simmering, it is time to separate your rich collagen broth. Carefully strain the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container, discarding all the solids. Let the liquid cool completely to room temperature. Once cooled, transfer it to the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. You will notice a thick, gelatinous layer forming, which is your successfully extracted collagen, ready for use. Consuming collagen-rich broth offers numerous health benefits. About 70% of the protein in chicken feet is collagen, which is vital for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines. It also helps alleviate joint pain by supporting cartilage regeneration and strengthening bones. Furthermore, the gelatin from collagen can promote a healthy gut lining. Incorporating this natural source of collagen into your diet can truly nourish your body from within.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.